Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let's learn how to draw a cute little fox today, shall we? Let's go grab your pencils and get started. We shall start with drawing the head. First, let's draw a semicircle. Next, at two ends of the semicircle, add in some zigzag lines to represent its fur. Then close the gap with a V. And we can add in the little nose next. We are completed with the outline of the head now. Let's move on to add its ears. Draw an inverted V. Then, draw a smaller V. Do the same for the other side. Let's add in its eyes next. Draw an oval. Then, another smaller oval inside. Do the same for the other side. You can proceed to shade the space in between. We are done with the head now. Let's move on to the body next. At the position below the inner left eye, draw a zigzag curve. The zigzags are used to represent fur on its body. At the position below the outer right eye, add in two zigzag lines. Stop. Then draw a big curve down for its body, and a straight line across till the midway. In the space in between, add in the legs using some inverted sevens. Draw the front two legs slightly longer and two slightly shorter hind legs. We are almost there now. The head and body is already completed. Next, we will just have to add in the tail. At the halfway position of the body, draw a zigzag curve line up, like so. Then at the bottom of the body, draw a slightly bigger zigzag curve. Close the gap with a zigzag line. Okay. Now, we can proceed to add in the top portion of the tail. Here we are. We have completed the cute little fox. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please help me like, share and subscribe.